In a world void of humans, nature thrives uninterrupted. Forests grow densely, teeming with diverse wildlife. Rivers run clear, unpolluted, and abundant with fish. Skies remain uncluttered by smog or industrial clouds. Animals claim cities, now silent, as their new habitat. Buildings crumble, overtaken by creeping vines and moss. Animal kingdoms emerge, each with its own hierarchy. The oceans teem with life, free from overfishing. Birdsong fills the air, unchallenged by human noise. Ecosystems balance, adapting and evolving over time. Climate remains temperate, unaffected by fossil fuels. Natural cycles continue undisturbed, flourishing everywhere. Seasonal changes inspire migrations and growth in harmony. Lightning sparks wildfires, clearing old growth naturally. The auroras dance across clear night skies, unobserved. This world flourishes in harmonious, uninterrupted vitality.